Anushka, many challenges that are being now faced, especially by the parents of the students who are now going to, try to find an alternative for their children. But like Prabhakar was saying, they have a legal route that they can take. But these matters take a long time. Take us to the plight of the students and their parents.
Well, certainly, Divya, right now I'm outside the Noida Center that is situated in Sector 62 in Noida. We have with us some of the parents whose students have in fact abruptly stopped coming to the coaching classes because all of the teachers had left here, and also there was no explanation. In fact, they have also said that they did try to reach to the coaching center and they were assured that nothing will happen to this center. But we are also showing you the visuals of the center that is right now not operational, and several of the parents who are quite outrageous are gathered outside of the coaching center. Let's go straight to them. सर, आपका नाम क्या है?
सत्संग कुमार।
सर, आपके बच्चे यहाँ पे पढ़ रहे थे?
बिल्कुल। एक बेटा पढ़ता है 11th क्लास में।
क्या कहेंगे, आप लोगों को बताया गया था इस तरीके से क्लासेस बंद होने वाली?
नहीं, कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं थी, कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं थी।
तो आप लोग, क्योंकि हमने देखा कि कई कोचिंग सेंटर्स जो है वो बंद हो गए हैं नोएडा में या फिर अलग अलग जगहों पर भी, तो आप लोगों ने पूछा यहाँ पर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से कुछ बात हुई है आपकी?
एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की तरफ से कोई है ही नहीं, कोई भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन है ही नहीं, ना एकेडमिक्स हेड है, ना सेंटर हेड है, कोई भी चीज़ रिप्लाई देने के लिए मोबाइल स्विच ऑफ करके बैठे हुए हैं। गार्ड है तो वो तो रिस्पॉन्सिबल बंदा है नहीं कि जवाब दे पाए। तो हमें मजबूरी में 2 दिन से सेक्टर 58 थाना जा रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स का डेलीगेशन, और कल हमने डीसीपी पे भी मूव किए थे, डीसीपी साउथ, बिकॉज एसएचओ ने 2 दिन से एफआईआर की नहीं बनाया था। तो कल हम लोगों ने डीसीपी के यहाँ मूव किया नोएडा 1 में। सो मुझे लगता है कि आज एफआईआर की कॉपी मिल जाएगी।
आपका नाम क्या है सर?
राहुल त्रिपाठी।
आपके भी बच्चे यहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं?
हाँ, मेरा बेटा यहाँ 11th में है, अभी 2 साल का उसने कोर्स यहाँ हमने ऑप्ट किया था और सारी फीस जा चुकी है, केवल 33,000 इज रिमेनिंग, तो 4 लाख ऑलरेडी हम पे कर चुके हैं।
तो आपको रिफंड के बारे में आपने बातचीत की? यहाँ
पर कोई अवेलेबल ही नहीं है, किससे बात करें? मतलब हम लोग तो 2 दिन से लगातार कंटिन्यूसली फॉलो अप कर रहे हैं कि कोई अवेलेबल हो जिससे हम लोग स्टाफ से कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिले, एटलीस्ट पता तो चले कि इस सेंटर का आगे क्या करने वाले हैं, व्हाट इज़ देयर प्लान। कुछ कहीं कोई अवेलेबल नहीं है।
कई बार होता है कि पेरेंट्स एडवांस में पैसे दे देते हैं, तो आप लोगों ने भी एडवांस में मनी दे रखा?
हाँ, हम लोगों ने सारा वो उन्होंने चेक के फॉर्म में ले लिया है और हम लोग का वो 3 से 4 महीने के अंदर सारा पैसा निकल चुका है। केवल एक लास्ट अमाउंट बाकी है, वो भी 33,000 के आसपास का।
लेकिन किसी से भी बातचीत नहीं हुई अभी?
नहीं, किसी से कोई अवेलेबल नहीं है बातचीत के लिए, सिर्फ गार्ड है, गार्ड से तो कोई फायदा नहीं है बात करने का।
So Divya, these are the parents who are constantly saying that they were kept in dark. They constantly went to the authorities. They tried to have a communication with them, but they were constantly kept in dark. Also, the parents are saying that they are opting for a legal way to solve this whole issue that has happened inside of the coaching center. We'll talk to a few more parents. आपका नाम क्या है सर?
मेरा नाम राकेश कुमार हुआ।
आपके भी बच्चे यहाँ पढ़ रहे थे?
यस, तो 4 ईयर प्रोग्राम में है। मोस्टली तो आपने इन्फॉर्मेशन ले लिया है, जो दैट इज द फैक्ट कि ये सारे पेमेंट तो ये पीडीसी के फॉर्म में एडवांस में ले लेते हैं। और अभी मेरे बच्चे के साथ भी सेम चीज़ है, वो क्लास 10th अभी बोर्ड का एग्ज़ाम देना था और अभी उन्होंने 11th तक की सारी फीस ले ली है। ऑल ऑफ सडन इन्होंने सेंटर बंद कर दिया है।
कोई आप लोग को एश्योरेंस नहीं दिया है कि पैसे वापस?
ये देखिए, जब उन्होंने वहाँ प्रेशर बनाया गया तो वो बोल रहे हैं कि मतलब कि हम सेंटर डी रन करेंगे, हम ये करेंगे, बट लेकिन आप खुद ही देख रहे हो कि यहाँ पे कुछ भी दिख रहा है आपको?
We'll try to show you some visuals also from outside of the coaching center. This is the FITGI center that is situated in Noida, sector 62. But we can clearly see that there is a lock that has been put in place in this center. Nobody is here, aside from the guards who are in fact, outside of this gate, who are manning this whole property. But also what we are seeing is that several of the parents who are quite angry have in fact reached out here to talk to the administration, to talk to the authorities here. But nobody has responded so far. They were assured that nothing will happen to this center, but also some of the parents who have paid advanced money have also in fact are in dark as to if they will get the refund or not. But also we are showing you the visuals from outside of the FITGI center. Several of the parents who are saying that now they will in fact be opting for a legal way to solve this issue, because remember, board examinations are also coming in a few months. The students will be sitting and also appearing for the examinations, but regarding all this matter, the education is not complete, the syllabus is not complete. The students who have constantly been keeping in touch with the students have abruptly left because they were not paid the salaries. The teachers have left. Some of the teachers have been poached by other institutions. And also now we are showing you the visuals from outside of the FITGI center. Also what we are seeing is that there is a lock that has been put in place. Several of the parents are gathered here who are in fact demanding as to what will happen to the plight of the students who will be appearing for the examinations for the FITGI. आपका नाम क्या है सर?
पुनीत।
आप भी यहाँ अपने बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे थे?
या हमारा लास्ट ईयर एनरोलमेंट हुआ था, तो 5 लाख की एडवांस में हमने फीस पे कर दी थी. अभी हार्डली आई थिंक 1 ईयर हैज़ ऑल्सो नॉट कम्प्लीटेड, तो अभी 1 साल और अभी पेंडिंग है. सो इमीडिएटली बंद होने का एकदम से, वी डोंट नो द रीज़न, बिकॉज ऑलमोस्ट 4 टाइम्स फीस फ्रॉम द अदर सेंटर्स वॉज बीइंग चार्ज्ड बाय फिटजी. तो क्या रीज़न है? माइट भी वो मनी साइफन हो रही है, कहीं और यूज़ हो रही है, बिकॉज ऐसा क्रंच तो अदर सेंटर्स आर स्टिल बीइंग रन एट मच लोअर कॉस्ट. तो यहाँ पे क्या रीज़न हुआ है, वी हार्डली
Is the child about to appear for the examinations?
नॉट रियली, बिकॉज अभी 1 साल है उसका. ही हैज़ मूव टू 12th नाउ, तो अभी अगले साल उसका
It is bound to affect the studies.
या श्योरली, व्हाई नॉट, बिकॉज अभी तो उनके एग्जाम्स जो प्रिलिमिनरी होते हैं वो हो रहे हैं. तो अभी तो हमारे को यही नहीं पता कि आगे कैसे, कहाँ एनरोल करना है, कैसे कंटिन्यू होगा, बिकॉज अभी तो 1 साल का ही हुआ था. मेन वाज 12th, जब उसका अभी स्टार्ट होना था पूरा. फिटजी मेन के लिए अपीयर होना है उसने नेक्स्ट ईयर. सो लेट्स सी अभी आगे क्या होता है.
Right.
So clearly
Anushka,
we're
of
seeing
course,
that the
you know,
parents
the
were
plight of
quite
the
agitated
parents.
as to what will happen regarding.
Right. Thank you so much for getting us those voices and those concerns that are being raised by, you know, these worried parents. And to know more on this, we have Sudha Acharya, educationalist, principal ITL. This is you know, former chairperson of the National Progressive Schools Conference. Ma'am, you know, we've just heard some of the parents there standing outside this closed center of Fitji, not knowing why those you know, centers have shut down. Of course, we do know that the you know, the teachers are saying they weren't paid their dues, which is why they moved on. But you know, this is really the exam time. This is the exam fever that, you know, the students start getting, and in turn the parents start getting. And here, you know, the operations have abruptly come to an end, jeopardizing the children's academic preparations. Where does this really leave the student?
Yeah, this is not delivering the quality education. I really have all the empathy for my students and the parents, those who have paid for it. And they have left children in the middle path, because now the class 12 students are going to appear for the JEE entrance. And 11th also, they have paid the whole money for both the years. Now, suddenly the centers are getting closed due to non-payment of teachers' salaries, which is very, very sad, because they collect huge amount of money in the name of preparing students for competitive exams. So this is the alarm call for all the parents to think about it, to reflect and introspect about these coaching centers and what kind of education they are really delivering, and what they are preparing our students for future. Are they really for money, or do they really care for the future of the students?
Right, let's just hear from a student as well. We have Ansh Gupta. He's a student who's affected by the closure of Fitji. Ansh, take us through what has your ordeal been like? Was there any kind of notice given to you in regard to the financial crisis perhaps that the center was facing, or the teachers were facing? Did the teachers voice anything on those lines?
Given any notice, it was all of a sudden our classes went online, and in online you also know how much we study and how much we can understand. There can be a connectivity issue as well, and I have some friends from 12th as well. So in this crucial time, their revision classes are going online, that to combine batches. So a lot of students are being affected by this. So, and let's not discuss about us. We can discuss about the ones who are coming from cities like Bihar to Dwarka Center, which is like a well-recognized center. So all of a sudden, this is happening. So what will be their situation? Their parents have sent them with a trust ki Fitji sambhal lega. But right now, all of a sudden, this is happening, and teachers also left, and batches are also getting combined. How much we can understand in a batch of 80 or 60 students?
Thank you so much for speaking with us here at NDTV.